Hello student, today we have to learn the summary of this chapter from geography, natural resources, natural vegetation and wildlife. You have already learned about the natural resources, different types of natural resources you have already learned. And in this chapter we have to learn the natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation means the forest. Naturally all plants grow there, and what we get from the forest: timber, firewood, softwood for manufacturing of paper. All of you know that the paper, what is the, it made by paper, softwood, fruits, nuts, berries and medicinal herb. Also we get medicinal herbs from the forest. Product like rubber, quinine, tar, turpentine, resin, corks, etc. They are all natural vegetation and we got from the forest. And important natural resources for man. What is the important natural resources for a man? And what is the different types of forest spread in the different area due to the some reason. What is the reason? That the climate, temperature, rainfall, the growth of the plant depend on that factors, and also relief, altitude and soils are also the main factor to influence the plant growth. As the earth has varied climate, all of you know that the varied climate, different landform, that's why different types of forest all over the world. Area with adequate temperature and rainfall support growth of large number of trees. Forests have large number of trees growing naturally in any area. That's why they called natural vegetation, and natural vegetation means forest. Thus the original plant, natural plant cover of a region is termed as its natural vegetation. What do you mean by the natural vegetation? The original natural plant cover of a region is termed as natural vegetation. Different types of natural vegetation of the world. First, tropical evergreen forest. What is the tropical evergreen forest and where it spread in the world? Tropical area with uniformly high temperature and heavy rainfall throughout the year. This type of forest found. The main area are the equatorial lowland of the Amazon in South America, Congo, Jara Basin of Central Africa, Malaysia and Indonesia in Southeast Asia, and islands of Indian and Pacific Ocean. The rainforest of South America are also known as silver. Different types of forest also known as the different names. In rainforest South America, it is known as the selvas. The climatic condition support luxuriant growth of trees. Luxuriant means very important, costly. The tree of these rainforests are broadleaf. And what is the quality of this forest? This type of forest plant? Broad-leafed, evergreen and have hardwood. Come to the next point, that this type of forest, unfortunately large area of these forests have been destroyed for the highly priced hardwood and to provide land for plantation. This forest is very luxuriant, very costly tree what we get from the, that's why these forests are gradually clearing for the hardwood and provide land for plantation. Important tree of these forest. What is the important tree of this forest? Mahogany, rosewood, ebony, kedar, say, ironwood, greenheart, rubber, and minor product like gums, nuts, chickles, flax are the collected from these forest. Next point. Next forest, what is the tropical deciduous forest, and what is its features, and what is the this plant growth in the this type of forest. Tropical deciduous forests are found in the monsoon region. Monsoon region, where we get monsoon region? Monsoon region mainly India and their neighbor country. This type of climate found in the monsoon climate. They are found in South and Southeast Asia, mainly in the Indian subcontinent. They are also found in hot, wet East Coast region in some parts of southeastern USA, Chile and South America, East Africa and northeastern Australia. Large area of this forest have been cleared to provide land for agriculture and settlement. Also, this type of forest is clear for the plantation settlement. Commercially important trees of this forest. What is the forest? Forest tree: teak, sal, sandalwood, neem, sesame and bamboo. And come to the next point, at the next forest, temperate evergreen or mixed forest. These are luxuriant forests found in the eastern margins of continent in temperate belts. They include southeastern USA, southeastern Brazil, southern China, southern Japan, eastern coast of South Africa and southeastern Australia. These are mixed forests with broadleaf hardwood tree, deciduous trees, shrubby undergrowth and coniferous. Important trees are oak, mulberry, maple, walnut, eucalyptus, etc. Next, Mediterranean forest. In region with a Mediterranean climate, Mediterranean forest means Mediterranean climate with hot, dry summer and mild, wet winter. Special types of broadleaf evergreen trees are found. And Mediterranean Sea, southern France, Italy, southern Spain, Yugoslavia have this type of climate and vegetation. They are also found in California and USA, central Chile, western Africa and southeastern and southwestern Australia. And what is the plant in this area? Oaks, chestnut, olives, cypress, mulberry, and also citrus fruits like orange, lemon, lime and peaches. On account of this, the Mediterranean lands are known as the orchard of the world. This is very important, that the orchard of the land called Mediterranean forest. Next, temperate deciduous forest. These forests are found in area with cool climate and moderate rainfall. Moderate means neither heavy nor low rainfall. They cover northern eastern USA and adjoining Canada, central and western Europe, northeastern China and parts of Japan, Korea and New Zealand. Important trees of these forests are oak, ash, beech, elm, poplar, maple and Douglas fir. Most of the forests of the temperate origin have been removed for settlement. It means that this forest is also clear for the settlement and plantation. Our next forest is coniferous or taiga forest. These forests are found in area with short warm summer and severely cold winters. These forests are found mainly in two broad belts in high latitude across North America and Eurasia. The tree in these forests are, what is the quality of this tree? Tall, straight and conical in shape with needle shaped leaf. They occur in pure stand and have lightweight soft wood. Melting snow help in transportation of the logs. The dominant tree, dominant means main important trees are cheer, pine, fir, large hemlocks. Next our forest is tropical grassland. Tropical grassland are found on either side of the equatorial rainforest, extending up to the tropical hot dry desert. And they occur in the interior of the continent of the western side of the landmass. And they found Tanzania, Kenya, Zambia of Africa. Here they are also known as the savanna. And Brazilian highlands, Brazil and Orinoco Basin of Venezuela in South America and northern Australia. They are known as the Pampas in Brazil, Ananos in the Venezuela and Parkland in Australia. Same forest known as the different names in different country. Temperate grassland. These grasslands are found in the interior of the continent in temperate region. These areas have hot summer and very cold winter. And where these forests found? And also known as the prairies in North America, steppes in Eurasia, pampas in South America, velds in South Africa and downs in Australia. Trees are practically absent. Wheat, maize, oats belonging to the grass family are widely cultivated in this grassland. So simple that where the grassland found that where is cattle and sheep rearing. Important economic activity there is. And next, desert vegetation. The hot desert of the world are located on western side of the continent in the tropics. They include the Sahara Desert and the Kalahari Desert of Africa, the Atacama Desert of South America, the Arizona Desert of USA. Different types of desert also found in the western side of the continent. Tundra vegetation. In the polar region north of Arctic Circle, extremely low temperature and snow restrict plant growth. Mosses like lichen and some dwarf flowering shrubs grow during the short summer, especially around lakes. And especially we have to learn in this chapter the natural vegetation of the in India. What is the natural vegetation in India? And different types of natural vegetation in India can be divided into 5 main types. What is the types? Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorny bushes and shrub in desert and arid regions, tidal vegetation or mangrove forest, and last mountain vegetation. Conservation of natural resources and forest. How we conserve, how we preserve our natural vegetation and forest. Forest provide direct economic benefit and help maintain balance in the environment. All of you know that the plant also maintain the balance in the environment. Yet reckless destruction of the trees have wiped off many valuable forest area from the face of the earth. It means that the many plant in the forest are cleared, wiped off, and that's why there is doing their deforestation, where with the increase in population, forests have been cleared to provide land for settlement, cultivation, industries and development project. Unplanned manure, timber and fuel wood collection have also affected forest cover. And you know that the rainforest of the Amazon basin or selvas, which are called the lungs of the earth, like our lungs, is very valuable in our body. These large scale deforestation are leading to grave environmental problem. Grave means very important, very worseable condition like soil erosion, silting of water bodies leading to flood, decrease in rainfall and gradual spreads of desert. Also converted, this type of area is converted into desert. The grave problem of global warming due to rising level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is also connected with the decreasing forest cover. Forest fire. Have you learned that the forest fire? Natural causes like lighting as well as forest fire caused by human carelessness and often destroy valuable forest land. And wild animal. Where is a forest, then wild animal also there live. And wild animals have lost their habitat. Habitat means their home. Some have become extinct. Fodder for domestic animal is in short supply. Valued medicinal herbs and valuable timber are vanishing due to the man's greed. Greed means lalach and selfish activity. And some of the steps that we could effective measure for the conservation of the natural vegetation. First step, afforestation to increase forest cover by large scale planting of trees, protection of forest by law, discouraging agricultural practices like shifting cultivation which destroy forest. You already you have learned that the shifting cultivation, what is the shifting cultivation, and taking care to prevent forest fires which may wipe up large forest areas. Social forestry to increase forest cover as well as to provide product for us by the community. Program Van Mahotsav can encourage plantation of trees. Setting up forest research institute, also setting up forest research institute to carry on research on forest product and conservation. And most important is effective measurement that our consciousness and concern can save the forest and preserve the natural vegetation cover. Next, wildlife. Wildlife means ecosystem, animal, plants and all living beings within the biosphere depend upon their immediate surrounding for survival. They interact with each other and are interdependent. These interrelationships create ecosystem adapted to particular condition. South America rainforests, the selvas have rich collection of wildlife. The biggest bird of prey, the condor, is also found in South America. Australia is another country that abound in wildlife. About 259 species of marsupials like the kangaroo, quails, wombat and possum are the native mammals of Australia. In North America, brown and grizzly bears, the prairie were once the home of large herds of bison. In the Arctic or tundra region of Eurasia, seals, walrus. In the continent of Europe, wildlife is limited, especially in its western part. Most of the forests here have cleared for settlement and plantation. Asia has varied wildlife in its different climatic region. They range from fur-bearing animal of tundra and taiga to the camels of the desert. Wildlife in India. Famous wildlife, wild animal, the majestic Asiatic lions found in the Giri forest of Gujarat, the Royal Bengal tigers of Sundarban, the large Asian elephants, the endangered one-horned rhinoceros, the endangered Indian wild ass of Run of Kutch, the red pandas, yaks, bears, ibex, and snow leopard of Himalayas. Conservation of wildlife. How we conserve the wildlife? Some of the human-made and natural factors which accelerate the process of existence of natural resources. How we conserve of the wildlife? First step, deforestation, soil erosion. How the wildlife is man human made and natural factor which accelerate the process of existence of the natural resources. And what is the deforestation? Soil erosion due to deforestation, soil erosion, constructional activity, forest fire, tsunami, landslide, etc. During the past few centuries, human beings have encroached upon human also encroached the forest, their wildlife habitat. All over the world, large area of wilderness are now protected by the government. Government protect the wildlife parks and also establish the government that the park, sanctuary, biosphere reserve. In our country also there are 92 national parks, 492 wildlife sanctuary and 14 biosphere reserve. Large organizations like the World Wildlife Fund and Greenpeace are doing a lot to protect and preserve wildlife. In our country also, the WWF is functioning since 1969. It takes active program and step to preserve our biodiversity. Schools are also becoming the members of this organization, which train the student and makes them aware about our flora and fauna. Our awareness and efforts can save the beautiful creatures from existence. We need to preserve them for our own benefit as well as for our future generation. This chapter, summary of this chapter is complete. Okay, thank you.